Okay, good morning, secondary students. Today, the next topic is differentiability. Differentiability. Okay, what is the differentiability? What is the continuous? Continuous. The function f of x is continuous means limit x tends to a, the function f of x is continuous at x is equal to a means first condition, limit x tends to a f of x exists, limit f of a exists and both are equal, limit x tends to a f of x is equal to f of a, they both are exist and equal means continuous. At the same time, in the same way, differentiability also same, limit. Suppose f is a real function and c is a point. Point compulsory, limit means function of point important. X tends to a, x tends to a point. The function and c is a point in its domain. Compulsory function by the depending on domain. Every function has exist to not a real number. Every function exists to not a real number. Some members means domain. That function domain important. Okay. Domain. Derivative of f at c is defined by derivative of f at c. Derivative of f at c is defined by limit h tends to 0. F of c plus h minus f of c by h provided this limit exists. This limit exists. Continuous code and continuous means same. Limit x tends to a f of x exists. Here limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h exists. Exist means what? Defined value. That limit has defined value. Clearly answer is defined value. What is c? Point at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 0. C means point. Well, depending on the problem. C is depending on the given problem. Okay. Exist. Limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h exist means that given function is differentiable function. Differentiability. Okay. Exist. Derivative of x is defined by derivative of f defined by f dash of c or d by dx of f of x. Function means what? Function means f of x. Function means f of x. F of x derivative means f dash of x. 1 dash. 1 dash means power 1 means 1 time derivative. F dash of x or d by dx of f of x. D by dx of f of x. Okay. So limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h exist means that given function is differentiability function. That value, that limit value is derivative of the given function. Value, that value, limit value is derivative of given function, any function, derivative of given function. That procedure, find out the limit. Procedure means differentiation. Procedure means differentiation. Procedure is the differentiation. Limit exist means that given function is differentiability function. That limit value is derivative of the function. Okay, derivative of the function. This is the definition. Okay. In the derivatives also, left hand here, previous limit, left hand limit to right hand limit to, here left hand derivative LHD minus right hand derivative also available. Okay, first of all, you understand the definition. Once again, f is any function, real valued function, and c is a point. The C point is depending on the domain enrollment. Okay. So derivative of f at c is defined by limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h provided this limit exists. That limit exists means the given function is differentiability function. Ali continuous in continuous this limit x tends to f of x exists means what? Continuous function. Here this limit exists means differentiability. That limit value answer, that limit existable value is derivative. Process, find out the derivative by using this formula. This procedure, this process is called differentiation. So the function f of x, derivative of f of x denoted by f dash, power 1 means one time derivative. That function has one time derivative, or d by dx of f of x. So both are same. Okay. Next, for example, a function f of x, say y, taken y, the given function f of x taken y, or say y. So the derivative of f of x is, y is f of x. Direct only f of x derivative means f dash of x or dy dx of f of x. So here you take n y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x means the derivative of f of x denoted by y dash or dy by dx. Y no, dy by dx means d by dx of y means the derivative of y with respect to x. The derivative of y, d means derivative. Derivative of which function? Derivative of y with respect to x. Dx means what? With respect to x. The function with respect to x. Okay. Once again, dy by dx means, d means derivative, y, derivative of y, y derivative. Okay, derivative of y with respect to x. dy by dx y dash, capital D of y, same, these are derivative of y. That 2 times anko, f double dash of x. F double dash of x means 2 times derivative, second derivative 2 times. 3 means 3 times, 4 means 4 times, n means power n means n time derivative. This is the derivative. Already next one is formulas, derivative formulas. Already send the formulas in our WhatsApp group. So today maximum we have to try. Okay, read the formulas. The formula explanation. Next one is formula explanation. Listen carefully. Formula explanation. First one, derivative means what? D by dx. So derivative with respect to x, maximum every function has derivative with respect to x. sometimes particularly given with respect to y, with respect to t, with respect to theta, particularly given. That's why apply the with respect to y derivative. Okay, maximum first of all with respect to x maximum. So dy dx of the derivative with respect to x, which function? Constant, is equal to 0. K means what? K is a constant. Constant means what? Without x, excluding x, not including x. X tappa, another, only x, without x. Okay, excluding x with respect to x means x tappa, remaining anyone is a constant with respect to x and the given function y or anything, y or l or m, y is equal to y is equal to y x. Okay, x remaining all are constants, remaining all are constant. For example, derivative of 10 0. ఈ 10 20 30 numbers are always constant, but derivative of d by dx of a power k equal to 0 because of with respect to x means there is no x in the given function. A power k also 0. Not only constants means in the derivative, constants means excluding x, x tappa remaining all are constants. So that function, constant function, constant also one of the function, x power 0 1 no. Okay, 0. So many examples, derivative of y, derivative of z, derivative of l, so many different, all are constants excluding x, x tappa. Next, second one, derivative of k into f of x, k into f of x or k into u, f of x, u is a function. Okay, constant into function, constant into function, constant to sing 0, but 0 and something 0, this is not a correct. Constant into any function, constant into any function. Constant into any function is constant into that function derivative u dash. U is a any function, u dash means derivative of that function, one time derivative of that function. Okay, derivative of constant 0, but derivative of constant u, constant 0 into something 0 means all are zeros maximum, but that is not a procedure correct. Constant into any function is constant into same constant into that function derivative. Okay, limit of constant 2 is equal to constant 2. So derivative of constant, only constant 0, derivative of only constant, there is no into, divide, any other function. Derivative of constant 0, but derivative of constant into any function is not 0 because that formula k into same as it is constant into same constant into that function derivative. Okay, next, d by dx of x power n, x power n, d by dx of x power. In the x power, what is the meaning of x power n? The base is x, power is constant, n is a constant, x is a variable, variable power constant, x power n, x power 10, x power 100, this type x power n formula. X power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1. So at the same time, d by dx of x square, d by dx of x square. What is the formula? D by dx of x power n means n into x power n minus 1. Okay. D by dx of x power in the x square, what is the n? 2 is n is equal to 2. So 2 into x power 2 minus 1 is equal to 2x. So derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Simply x square 2. So our 2 power into that power minus 1 into x power minus 1. For example, x square means 2 into x power 2 minus 1. X cube, derivative of x cube means 3 into x power 3 minus 1, 3x square. Okay, next derivative of d by dx of x power minus 10. No, d by dx of x power minus 10. Also same, minus 10 into x power minus 10 minus 1. No, n into x power n minus 1. No, that is equal to minus 10 into x power minus 10 minus 1 minus 11. So n is the any number, any real number without 0. 0 tappa remaining number, anyone. So derivative of x power 1 by 2. Derivative of x power n by 2 is equal to n into x power n minus 1. No, 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. No, minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 means what? Root x. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root x. 1 by 2 root x. Okay, next derivative of x. X means what? Derivative of x is equal to derivative of x power 1. No, derivative of x means derivative of x power 1. No, 1 into x power 1 minus 1. No, 1 into x power 0, that is equal to 1. No, derivative of x is equal to 1. No, derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Derivative of minus x power minus 10 is equal to this one, fraction, negative, positive 1. This is the third one, some applications. Okay, next. Fourth one. The derivative of 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x means what? Derivative of d by dx of x power minus 1. No, so minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by x square. Fifth one, derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. This is also procedure, x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 means root x. So next, derivative of d by dx of derivative of logarithm, logarithmic function. Derivative of log x to the base e is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of d by dx of log x to the base a means 1 by log a into 1 by x. Because log e is equal to 1. No, log a is equal to not a value. Next 8 one. So derivative of exponential functions, e power x is equal to e power xa. Ninth, d by dx of e power x means this is x power n formula. Derivative of x power n means base variable power constant. E power x means base constant power variable. Okay, anyone base or power. Any one is constant. Base is constant means e power x formula or a power x formula. Power is constant means x power n formula. Both are constant means power, base both are constant means totally constant. Totally constant derivative is 0. Okay, both are variables means apply the logarithms. Next procedure. Okay, one second. Derivative of a power x. A power x is equal to a power x into log a. A power x into log a to the base e. Exponential. Next. Exponential trigonometry. Okay. See that all are observe them. 1 minute. Okay, next. You can see in the WhatsApp picture. In the second year, maximum 150 marks paper with choice, 75 to 80 marks derivatives, integrations. The derivatives formula perfect, not a perfect. In derivative formula, 70 loss, you have lost 75 marks. Okay. Half of the syllabus by the depending on derivatives. Derivative is the reverse anti-derivative. Derivative integration is the anti-derivative. Next integration. Integration totally depending on derivatives. Okay. Derivatives bundle andre integrations baralla. Total 75 marks loss out. Tough. Don't. No hard, easy. First perfect the formulas, all are perfect the formulas. Next applications, how to apply the formula in the problem. Okay, this is the which formula type, sin x formula type or sin inverse formula type, any formula type. One by one, step by step. You have to observe. Next, derivative of trigonometric functions. Next is 11, no? 10, no? D by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. 11th one. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Here, look at this. Sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x. And cos ki sin ki relation ide. For example, derivative of sin x equal to tan x cot x andra the totally wrong. You are a waste, because first relation in the derivative, sin x cos x relation, both are relation to each other. Derivative of sin x cos x sin x. The minus or plus and next. First step, so function sin derivative of sin x function be which function? cos x or tan x, first observe. Sin x equal cos x. Derivative of cos x, sin x, but minus or plus next one. First decide the function, sin or cos or tan. First sin or cos relation to each other. Sin x derivative cos x derivative sin x. But which one is minus, negative? Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Minus plus wrong means small mistakes. But derivative of sin x is equal to a cot x or sin cot x secant x means this is blunder mistake. You don't know. You don't know about the formula. 1% also. So relation sin cos sin relation. Next, d by dx of cos x. Next, sin cos tan. Tan x is equal to secant square x. D by dx of tan next cot x. Cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Tan ki secant relation. Tan secant relation. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Tan secant relation to each other, relations. So tan x means secant square x. Next, cot to cosecant relation. Cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So first of all, cot x means what is the answer? In terms of cosecant. Derivative of cot x is in terms of cosecant. The minus cosecant or cosecant square, cosecant cube. Next, cosecant square negative. Cot cosecants are always negative. Cos is positive. Sin is negative. That's why secant of minus x, secant x. Is small. Remember to easy to remember. Next, derivative of secant x. Secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Listen carefully. Cot x cosecant relation. So a secant tan relation. So small difference, secant x into tan x. So two formulas, first two formulas, second two formulas, third two formulas. Divide. Okay, you have to divide one by one. First part, second part, third part. First part, sin is derivative cos sin. Next, tan secant square x. Next, inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric function. You know inverse function? Sin inverse x, cos inverse x. So, d by dx of sin inverse x. D by dx of sin inverse x is equal to derivative of sin x is cos x sin x. That's why derivative of sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse x. It is not a correct. Okay, so sin inverse x in terms of algebraic functions, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Next, d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. What is the difference between sin inverse x derivative, cos inverse x derivative? Any difference? Same, but sign different. So no, derivative of sin is cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x. That's why derivative of sin inverse x is positive, derivative of cos inverse x is negative. So sin inverse x derivative, cos inverse x derivative both are same, but difference is negative. Sign is different. Say 1 by root of 1 minus x square, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Both are answers value equal, but sign is different. This is easy to remember. Next 18. Derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of d by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x. What is the difference between tan inverse x and cot inverse x? Tan inverse x is positive, cot inverse x is negative. Both same value but sign is different. Next, d by dx of secant inverse x. D by dx of secant inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x into root of this one. Sin inverse x is 1 minus x square. Secant inverse x is x square minus 1. Here, x square minus 1. D by dx of cosecant inverse x is equal to minus 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. This one. Okay. All are have to perfect the formulas today. The next class is application of the formula applications. The fundamental formula, this only 21 is the 21 or 21 20 is the fundamental formulas. Next one is some more applications. Okay, I will continue the next class.